Have you been struggling to get TT likes but don't know what to do? Don't worry, because today I'll show you how to get TT likes for free. Firstly, kindly go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword mama. Scroll down and select the read more below the second post. Now scroll down and select the first blue button. As you can see, our likes was sent successfully to our requested video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.
Wait, I gave you my heart.